Good afternoon or good evening, everybody. Before we get to the business at hand, I've taken the liberty to illustrate a wonderful pun just for you. See if you can guess it. Go ahead and pause the video, take a guess, and hit play to see if you were right. Okay, we've got a cowboy, and he got a dachshund, and I know you can tell that that is a dachshund, and he did it because he wanted to get along, little doggy. Ah! Woo! Oh, that was good. That was good. All right, before we jump into it, I thought I'd tell you a couple more. When I was a kid, a little bit older than you guys, I had a job at the concrete plant. I had to quit. It was just getting harder and harder. Oh, but after that, luckily I got hired working in an orange juice factory. Unfortunately, I got canned. I couldn't concentrate. Couldn't concentrate. Oh. Oh. Have you heard the news? Hundreds of hares escaped from the local zoo. The police are combing the area. Oh boy. I've been told I'm very overconfident, so my doctor gave me some anti-gloating cream. He didn't want me to gloat anymore. He told me to rub it in. Oh boy. He was a doctor, though. He wasn't a pediatrician. He was a little irritable, so if he was a pediatrician, he would have had little patience. Okay, go ahead and get out your pencils. We're going to move on here. Pencils could be made with erasers at both ends, but what would be the point? Okay, let's jump into it. Estimating decimals. We're going to look at three ways to estimate decimals. Okay? First of all, using rounding. I've given us a math problem here. 3.92 plus 6.48. Well, if we're going to round to the nearest ones place, we know that the ones place is, in this case, the 3, in this case, the 6. We'll use our bossy Q as the next digit over to the right. 9 tells the 3 to go up, so we have 4, and then the rest turns into zeros. The 4 tells the 6 to stay the same, and the rest of the digits turn into zeros. So 3.92 plus 6.48 is approximately 10. Okay, remember we're estimating, so it's not exactly 10, it's just about 10. Another way would be to use compatible numbers. Okay, I've got 26 and 76 hundredths times 2 and 93 hundredths. Okay, well, we're going to use compatible numbers to make it easier for ourselves. 26.76 is about 25. It's not too far off. 2.93 is, of course, about 3. And then I have a much easier problem because I made the numbers compatible. 25 times 3 is 75. Okay, down here I've got 42.64 divided by 16.51. Well, 42 and 16 are not very compatible, but what if we said that that's about 45 divided by about 15 to give us 3? Yeah, it's not the exact answer. If you actually divided out 42.64 divided by 16.51, you wouldn't get 3, but we're using compatible numbers to estimate. So we would be in the neighborhood of 3. We'd be in the right area. Another way we could do it is use front-end estimation, and that would also give us a range. And so what we're going to do here is we have 9.99 plus 22.89 plus 8.30. Right now we're going to look at the front end, or just the whole numbers. We've got 22 plus 8 is 30, plus 9 is 39. So obviously the number is going to be higher than that, but we can say the number is at least 39. Okay? Then to find our range, which would be where the actual answer would be found in between there. If we want to find the range, now we can look at the decimals and we can estimate those as well. Okay, we're going to find some compatible numbers. So 0.99 I'm going to call 1 whole. 0.89 I'm going to call 1 whole. 0.3 I'm going to call 0.5. So we have 1 plus 1 gives us 2. We have 0.5 plus a whole bunch of zeros gives us 0.5. 39 plus 2.5 would give us 41.5. And we could say that our range would be somewhere in there. Our answer would be somewhere between 39 and 41.5. I want to thank you guys for watching. We'll talk more about this and get even more in depth the next time I see you.